Simple mantra I use every single day. Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration with Dan. You know, years ago, actually 8 years ago, I was challenged by my mentor, Bob Proctor, to read one chapter a day, every single day, the same chapter from a book, and read that chapter every single day in a group so that we are accountable, because we wouldn't probably do it ourselves. So every single day we were challenged to read a chapter out of a book. It was the persistence chapter out of Napoleon Hill's book, Think and Grow Rich. And so I read that with Mark and Karen every day for 30 days. The same chapter, we just take turns starting and reading different sections. And so we did that every single day. But guess what? That led us to reading the rest of the book the same way and then go on to other books. And as a result, we actually read 6 books now, but one of the books that had a profound effect on me and that I'm going to share with you, this single mantra that I use every single day, came from that book. And it was a book by Dr. Joseph Murphy. It's called The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And the mantra starts off with, I am one with the infinite riches of my subconscious mind. It is my right to be rich, happy, and successful. And it goes on to say that, and then it says, and then at the end, it says, I'm forever conscious of my true worth. I give of my talents freely, and I'm wonderfully blessed financially. So those words, I'm forever conscious of my true worth. I give of my talents freely. That's what I do every single day. I say the whole phrase, but those words, I'm forever conscious of my true worth, and I give of my talents freely. Those words have stuck with me, and this is exactly what I do. So whenever I meet somebody, I give of my talents freely, and I'm wonderfully blessed financially. That's the way it works. So, and I'm forever conscious of my true worth. I'm forever conscious of my wisdom. In fact, I had a friend of mine say that so much wisdom needs an outlet. And he's true. It's true. It's right. And I believe it is, because I read, study, learn, I practice all sorts of different ways of becoming a better version of myself, and then I can share that with folks like you. So I'm forever giving back, I'm forever studying, and I'm conscious of my true worth because I know that I'm studying and learning. I know that I have value. I know that I'm studying the best books, the best teachers in the world, and so I have the ability to bring that to you. And so that mantra has stuck with me for years and years. I can recite that day in and day out. I'm one with the infinite riches of my subconscious mind. It is my right to be rich, happy, and successful. I can just rhyme it off. It just rolls off my tongue. And I say it every single day, and I'm forever conscious of my true worth. I give my talents freely, and I'm wonderfully blessed financially. That's it. It's a simple mantra, but just remember, you have worth. Whatever you know, whatever you've been doing, whatever value you bring, you have that, and you can share that with others. And you have to believe that you are worthy and deserving of the good things that you want and the life that you want. Because if you're not, is somebody else going to tell you that you're worthy and bring you everything that you want? No, you have to do it. You have to take action. Your moment-by-moment choices determine the life that you live. And you have total control over that. You are going to wake up to your consequences someday, and hopefully they're all good. If they're not, you know what to do. Work on giving value. Work on being worthy. Feel that and move through that. If you like that mantra, use it. I'm forever conscious of my true worth. I give my talents freely. And then move through your day and look for ways to share your skills, your talent, your ability, and feel worthy. So if you're not watching this video on my YouTube channel, check it out. I have other videos just like this that teach you different things. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.